Alright guys, today I just wanted to show you all something I had in stock for me. I got a truck that my uncle's had for, golly, he's had it ever since I've been in high school, I think. And it's always truck, always thought it was a really cool truck when I had, when he had it, always just a really cool truck. Anyways, it's a 1984 GMC Sierra Classic, short wheel bed, fully loaded at the time, you know, power brakes, power steering, AC, the whole 9 yards. Well, anyways, I finally got the truck from my uncle. Took years and years of aggravating, but I finally got it. I'm gonna post some pictures of the progress of it because I kind of haven't recorded those before, but I'll do pictures of the step when I got it, and so you'll see the progress. Just it'll pop up. Anyways, I just want to show you my current progress of the truck. Thanksgiving's coming up real soon, and my uncle has no clue that I've even got the truck to the stage. He doesn't even know I had it painted. He doesn't know anything about it. He thinks it's still sitting at my old house, just looking sad in the shed and stuff like that. I'm trying to surprise him for Thanksgiving if I can. So I think he's gonna be pretty stoked. But anyways, I just want to show you the current status of the truck. It is, well, here it is. Like I said, my uncle has no clue that I even did any of this, but like I said, it's a 1984 GMC pickup. I got it painted. Like, again, you probably seen all the pictures on it. Just a really cool truck. These are all the factory colors I got off the center console, or the glove box. All the factory codes, so it was about as stock as I can get it without, you know, going full-fledged crazy and empty out my savings account. But yeah, it just taking me some time, slowly getting it together. I think my uncle is going to be really excited to see the truck again. It's been such bad shape for so many years. He just never did anything to it. I gotta get the windshield. The windshield's coming in. Hopefully next week I'll get that windshield in. It's gonna have the chrome trim that actually goes around it. This truck actually came factory from like that. Some trucks didn't have that, but this one being a Sierra Classic, it was fully loaded, so that was one of the options it had. Still got a couple little button up to do. I got the headlight bezel there on here. Got the grill. The grill was really hard on these trucks. It's a 2-year only grill. I got real lucky, found one kind of local. It was painted every color in the world, camo and everything else, but I got it. The paint job on it, he did a pretty good paint job on it. It's not perfect by any means, but I think the guy he did pretty good, I think. Put a couple imperfections in there. Definitely not like not perfect. Got the original rally wheels for it. Yeah. So yeah, I gotta get new lug nuts for it. I had some chrome ones, but they don't fit the stud for whatever reason. But anyways, that's what it is. I really love that two-tone. Such a cool old school thing. Like I said, I got the which is coming. I got the old school dash pad. That's definitely an old school thing. The dash is kind of crappy dash, so it really kind of helps it. It's yeah, I'm planning on doing the interior a little later, but I'm trying to get the outside done. Trying to get it done where it's a running, driving truck. I can cruise up down the road. I just got done putting all the chrome molding on. All of this was such a pain to put on. I got vinyl tape, and I actually started at one end, and then I stretched it all the way across, sided with my eye, and got it as close as I can. But no, getting all this trim. There's so much chrome on these trucks. You see all this. There's chrome here, just chrome here. Everything is chrome. So I gotta get to the keyhole there. Real cool truck. Like I said, there's going to be the back glass is going to get chrome on the molding as well. So I can't wait to get that in. That's the only thing that's really holding me back from holding this truck. The bed, and I actually got the bed. It's actually rhino line per se, but it's color coded rhino lining. It's really, really cool. I didn't realize this is a technology that it actually came out. You can actually see maybe right here. It's real smooth, but you can see the bumps in it. I'll try to get a close up on it. See, so it's rhino line, but you can see on the cab it's the same color. So I thought that was a really cool option that I got to do. My painter actually recommended it to me. I'm really glad he did. Well, no, I'll keep working at it. Hopefully I'll do progress on it. Keep the videos rolling, and hopefully Thanksgiving it'll be done. But no, and that's it. Oh, I didn't do the interior. I freshened up the interior. Like I said, the interior I'm going to do it a little bit later. But let me turn the little key off. It's a little annoying. But interior, you know, I got the door cards, the old door cards. I want to put that all in. But the guy actually did the door jambs as well. So it really, you know, trying to make it look a little better. And then see, I did the door jambs down here. They're all real nice as well. The carpet, I'll eventually replace the carpet, but you know, he got the jambs pretty good. But the interior, this is it. I know the Chevrolet, it's got to go. I'm going to take that out. But surprisingly enough, GMC stuff is really, really hard to find. I'm finding out really, really quick. Some of the GMC stuff is really, really hard, like the hood ornament up front. You can't even find them, not even available. If you're a Chevy, you can get Chevy, everything. But I redid the entire cluster gauge. It was just every different color of ugly. I fixed all that. The glass and stuff, I compounded it, got it going so it looks a lot clearer. While I was in there, I redid all the lights, so it lights up pretty good. I'm trying to get it going back to the original. And then, like I said, here the dash, it's not a perfect dash. You can see a little crack right there. The little vent but like again, that's gonna be my next project after I get it on here. The carpet needs to be replaced, and the headliner is sagging a little bit in this thing. But that's just the way it is. The original seat, my uncle he always had the seat covered with blankets and stuff like that, or towels or whatever to keep it going. So this is the original seat that my uncle had it on his truck. There's the old radio. I got it plugged in. I had a little trouble with it. Only the right side works, but I'm gonna bridge them together and just make it all work. Because when I put the reinstall the dash back in it, there's little bitty speakers on both ends, and they're really hard. You had to take everything out just to put them in. So I put some just speakers back in it while I was at that point, just so I wouldn't have to take everything back out apart again. But no, here it is. I'll do a little start on it. It cranks up. It's got the Chevy 305 in this truck. Yep, there she goes. That's good. She's got, alternators charging, fuel pressure is really good. Of course, the temps is really, really cold right now, but got that old school sound to it. I gotta fix the exhaust. It's a little crooked, but I can fix that. Oh, there she is. So yeah, she smoked a little bit. Me and my dad are going to do the a valve job on it. It needs the intake and exhaust valve stems seals redone. That's why it smokes off the left side. If you've probably seen it, the left bank on it. But we'll fix that hopefully. No, that's it. All right, guys. Like I said, there's my uncle's truck. Well, it's actually my truck, but that's my uncle's old truck. Hopefully you stick with me a little bit. This is like one of my first videos I've ever done, so please tell me what I'm doing wrong, or I'm trying to get really used to my little gimbal here. But if you like the videos, that's cool. If you don't, I guess go watch someone else again. But if you can, tune on to me next week maybe, and I'll get more of this truck done. Until then, I'll have fun and